Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to very easily check if you have Python installed on your computer, and if not, how to install it in one click. Okay, so let's get started. In order to do this, in this case I have a Windows machine, so all we're going to do is open a command window just by tapping CMD, and I'm going to right click here and run as administrator, or you can click here as well, it's the same thing. So we're going to run command window, and the only thing that you need to do in order to check if Python is there, you can enter the command Python or Python 3. So let's do Python 3 and see what comes up. If it's not installed, it's going to open the Microsoft Store, and then all you have to do to get it is to click here, and then it will be installed in one click. All right, and that's it. Now we have installed the latest version of Python, so we can just come here and we can try the same command again, and now we have the latest version of Python installed. Thank you. Oops. So thanks for watching, and in future videos we'll be exploring how to personalize or how to make your projects in Python and how to keep them well organized.